This is the indigo flower of the Bengal variety. We've tried to make it closest to the real, and Dolon has used all her skills to make the stamens inside very delicately. Now Dolon will exhibit how to create it part by part. Dolon? So first she's going to make the insides, the stamens. These little pellets that she's creating will make the tops of the stamens. ঠিক করে দেখাও ঠিক আছে okay slow please make it slowly for new people to learn. So you just take those little pellets and press them. A little bit of water is being added to the clay to keep it just moist so that it takes the shape. Please make it very slowly. See, it's giving the shape that the flower is going to take, and then with the thumb the final shape is given. Then both the petals are fused together at the base with just gentle pressure. And smoothed. Then the stamens are introduced. Slow. And the indigo flower is then ready.